windmills in the Netherlands. Daming windmills sa Netherlands, especially yung mga old windmills. Yan, Netherlands is so popular at well known sa ganitong mga windmills. This is their windmills, yung windmills nila na nagigiling ng mga wheat, like these windmills. You see, ang ganda ng windmills, ang lumang windmills. But nowadays, there's also a lot of windmills in the Netherlands. Yung mga new windmills na matataas energy, and that windmills is for the energy. So makikita natin yan all over in the Netherlands. Yes, and I'm driving here in A15 in the expressway here in the Netherlands, and you see a lot of windmills always, kung saan mga bago yan, not like before. But ngayon, ang dami-daming energy windmills. Ayan, o, kita nyo. Sa right side, as you can see, windmills is coming. Ayun sa malalayo, padating na sila windmills. Makikita mo sila dito. Yes, maraming windmills dyan. So, tingnan nyo ha. Tingnan nyo kung ilan ang windmills ang makikita nyo. You can count. Okay, and just let me know kung how many windmills ang nakita nyo dito sa video na to. O, diba? Ayan ang tataas ng windmills. Kita nyo ba? Pangit kasi yung camera ko. Yan. Ayan na o. Papalapit na tayo sa windmills. Ayan o. Ang tataas nila o, diba? So, pag lalabas ka, lagi ka makakakita ng ganito sa expressway. But also in Germany and in Belgium, maraming ganitong windmills. Look, so high. Ang taas-taas ng windmills. Yes, ang dami ano. Yeah, it's amazing. Many windmills here.